and gentlemen, once again welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. Today I come with a very unique project where I will explain you each and everything how you have to join this awesome platform and how you can your rewards here. And so before starting the further video, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification. Welcome to Baby Boom. Here we have to spread happiness through your little one's smile. So we have to together increase the birth rate in your area, prepare your next generation naturally and with good control, nutrition, growth, and health here. So here is an article that is reflecting Elon Musk vision on population policy and a baby boom token. So takes on the low birth rate challenge. Here you can see Elon Musk about vision of population and policy. The article um, uh, that's the take a look by glance by Elon Musk at Ridgeo Room discussing birth rates on 16 December 2023, and this is the about Sun Rafael that Costa Rica November 13, 2024 Global News Wire. That's the take issue of declining birth rate becoming a major concern of the future of many countries. Elon Musk has long stressed that most countries make increasing birth rates a top priority. And here in this content, we have to call about baby boom token, the world's first policy coin aimed at solving at the birth rate crisis is gaining attention. And baby boom token offers a unique solution that aligns with Musk call address this problem. Also blockchain based projects. So baby boom token provides any financial rewards to couples who plan to have families and also encouraging participation in family growth. So you have to support this associated article, guys, and you have to just also take an unique approach using blockchain to address declining birth rate. As Elon Musk emphasized, making birth rate as a priority is essential. The baby boom token provides a practical way to achieve this goal. You have to donate here, and this is a global vision expanding baby boom token's birth performance since listing and future potential on 17 October 2024 within an initial price like 0.01. So it's quickly gained attention in the cryptocurrency market, and its first 3 days baby boom token increased by 500% for reaching a peak price 0.20. So this show a very strong interest in investors and users, and performer must suggest that must focus on the birth rate issues and also baby boom token innovative approach that resonating with people. So to learn more baby token about, you have to just join our website, our Twitter, our Telegram group, our channel, and it is available on here. So you have to must download this, guys, and you can get all about baby boom token information here. You have to starting with writing with baby boom. So this is here pregnancy incentive rewards, and it's encourage actively healthy to both of the men and women, and also childbirth event rewards this too. And this is also for the communities for the moms that provide special community for users to growing together, and there is a happiness through baby smiles. Here you can see the future of community is decentralized. It is the most reliable and best way to create value of everyone. In the realm of decentralized technology, baby boom token stands with a clear. So this is our like baby boom, and now I want to tell you about our here is the Telegram community where you have to join. Here you can see our total members. This is the ecosystem token that's powering the decentralized birth promotion app. And here is you can see that this is listed on famous exchanges like Titegate.io, and here you can see our current value of baby boom, and you can check out our current price that is 0.1894, and you have to mustly join this because of this is listed most of the exchanges. And guys, this is also listed on max 2, and here is our price which is 0. 19313 USD, and here you can buy this easily. You can order right now. And here is also our, this is our Twitter official account. Here you have to just follow us on our all of the social medias account. And this is the toggling decline birth rates with crypto incentives, and just you have to earn rewards by participating. Here you have to follow on the, all of the official Twitter account, and you have to must join. And guys, this is available on Gate.io and also on the Max Exchange. Here I will tell you, and here you can just check it out. That's we have to keep amplifying the messages trend. Let's we have tool are part of the counter current trends, and now population is declined. That's the means that needs to be addressed. So Elon Musk has to reach almost two or three of the Korea will disappear every generation. So population collapse. Here you can check out Elon Musk's tweet here, guys. That's on the baby boom token, and these are the now looking for good year, and pretty much nothing tends to be trends. So you have to just update this you, and it's happening tomorrow, 8/28 November 24, right at 10 a.m. UTC. You have to just come join and ask any questions of there, right? Our Emma sessions, and you have to join this. So you can also check this tweet of the Elon Musk that have said about almost all of the. This is the fertility rate in South Korea. That's here you can check, and then he said about our of all of us. So here is a coin Jico is also a baby boom token, and here you can see our current price, that is 0.199, and here you can see our total market cap, guys, and also our fully diluted violations, our circulating total maximum supply, and this is our current price. Here you can easily buy, guys, buy. And this is here you can check completely bluish graph. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.